Hello friends, welcome to Tech to India. Today in this tutorial I will show you the information about default application in ZenPhone 2. Then first of all I open the menu and first I have got this ASUS Mobile Manager. This is a pre-default application which will be comes with this mobile. This is very good and you do not require to install any other third-party application like CC Cleaner, DU and other. And this will comes with power saver application. You can save your power by this application. It will be very best as compared to other mobile. And when I use this mobile, it will be take around 1.5 days, and the charging remain. The next is ASUS support. This is ASUS support and you can get all your service at this portal, but you have to log in and make sure that you have make the account in ASUS official website. And the next is Audio Wizard. This is Audio Wizard. You can change your audio setting by this application. This is pre-default modes like movie, music, gaming and vocal. You can also change this as manually. This is a volume, bass, treble, and you are get equalizer mode. You can change like this. This is all pre-default setting. You can turn it on, off like this. And the next I will show you. And this is a backup auto start manager. You can enable your startup apps and make faster your mobile. In this application I will show you. This is a 2 GB RAM in which 1.3 GB has been used and 521 MB has been free now. And the next you are get a backup option. You can back up your all the contacts, data and much more, and also you can send it to your email ID and other storage option. You can restore it by this tab, so you can delete your backup from this delete tab. At the next you get all the browser, calculator, calendar, camera, Chrome, Clean Master. This is Clean Master. I have installed it as a third party application. This is a clock option, contacts, data transfer. You can transfer your data from one mobile to another mobile from this application, but another mobile have same application. Do it later. This is a do it later application. You can manage your all the tasks from this application. You can simply add your all the work detail and it will be remind you as your assistant. And the next you have got download is Doctor Safety. This is a Doctor Safety. In this application you have got this feature like security threat scan, privacy risk scan, lost device protection, safe web surfing, social media privacy advisor, and apps and games. These all apps have been installed from company. And the next is Drive, Email, File Manager, Flashlight. This is a flashlight. You can turn it on by this, so you can manage your light from your screen also. This is a light. See the lights. The lights is very better. So at the next this is a FM radio, free games, gallery, Gmail, Google setting, Hangouts, kids mode. This is a kids mode. You have to lock this application and you can turn it on as your kids mode. I don't on it. This is a laser rule, but I don't know its concept. And that is maps, messaging, mini movie, mirror. I make separately video on mini movie. This is a mirror, music, my ASUS, omelette chat, PC link, phone, photo college, photos, play movies, play music, play store, power saver, screen, quick demo, power link, settings, setup wizard, share link, sound recorder, Splendid, Supernote, system update. This is system update. You can update your system from here. At this date I have got this update, but I don't install it now. When I install it, then I show you the changes. This is a theme section. You can change your theme from this section. In default mode I have got this theme, so you can install it from ASUS website, official website. The next thing you get TripAdvisor, voice search, weather, web storage, what's next, YouTube, Zenfone Circle, ZenTalk, and Celino. Also, this is also you get. This is a grid mode. You can sort it as per a downloaded, customized, frequently used. And that this setting you get this edit option like a smart group. Suppose I want to make a smart group, then I suppose clean here, okay, and all groups has been customized now, but I don't like this mode. Okay, smart group, and the other is uninstall hide apps, uninstall lock apps, grid size, play store, and much more. You can uninstall it directly from this section. Suppose I want to uninstall an app like TripAdvisor. I click on it and OK it, and this application has been uninstalled now and done it. You can change your grid size. This is all option. You can make it like this, and this is my previous UI. This is widgets. You'll get all the widgets here. Yeah, yes, that's all about today. If you like my video, then please subscribe TechTunia for getting more technology news and updates. Thank you.